Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Cortech Aero-Tec short riding gloves. Okay, the Aero-Tec gloves retail for $27.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for price changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing here. It's probably the most beneficial thing I can offer on a pair of gloves that's affordable. I normally wear a 2X in most common gloves. I have an extra large on now. These things fit and feel perfect. They feel really nice. They should. This is a super lightweight wearing glove. For newer riders out there, I want to make this clear. These gloves are more about preventing blisters than they are offering a high level of protection. Just important that you know that. Will these offer a little bit of protection in the event of a fall? Absolutely. It's a lot better than not wearing a glove. And there's a lot of riders out there, they want the thinnest glove possible. That is what this is. This isn't something more than that. Features, it's touchscreen compatible here on the index finger and the thumb with both gloves. The styling is nice, little Clarino palm here. We've got some textile on the back. Little TPR details are kind of welded on there, right? Thing feels really nice. Little overlay there for abrasion resistance. In between all the fingers is a very light spandex material that's just going to encourage a tremendous amount of airflow. It's going to be a real lightweight, high airflow, super affordable. $27.99 is super cheap. The quality looks really good. So if this is what you're looking for, give these a shot.